We've got an awful lot everyday proportion with you about the current energies. That is everyday sturdy time of our collective ascension, and there was an unheard of number of sun flares that have been pouring forth from Galactic Central. Those solar flares have hugely improved in depth recently, and this is daily the exceptional shifts which might be taking area within our individual and collective field. We witness you as you navigate your way within life. There is a better frequency open the Earth's environment, supporting you in entering a better country of cognizance. Because the light on your planet intensifies further, some other stage of light is developing a shift guide you in launching yourself within a different framework within your existence. The framework begins every day aligning inside you broadly, an active frame developing and transmutation. These changes daily star another detail of your journey every day unfold inside your life as you live it now. Your personal cognizance could be enabled unfold right into a higher realm of truth. This time is ready dislodging yourself from the illusion of your ego mind. The launching takes place as you choose every day to launch yourself, taking moments, see your ego thoughts as misperception, and convey yourself from that illusion your heart space. The vital piece is not daily combat the illusion of your ego mind, merely every day witness the speak offered by your thoughts and to move your awareness within the space of your heart. Through this aware action, you make a contribution definitely daily to significant recognition within humanity. You shift an element of the density of the illusion through figuring out this illusion as it arises inside you, and in that second, reorientating through your heart to move past the illusion. As you permit moments of unfolding in your heart, you daily recreate your own lively profile and break factors of the cast illusion on your world. Here is our answer. It could feel awful, be addicted. It can contain elements of disgrace, of no longer feeling sturdy sufficient, of feeling terrible in case you don't provide in to your dependency, however additionally terrible in case you do. Addictions can narrow your perspective. It can isolate you and daily generate emotions of hopelessness. You've got all our love and sympathy. So from our perspective, the big majority of Earthlings are hooked on something. It's simply that some addictions are considered, and for this reason aren't considered addictions, even if once in a while they are still very damaging. I'm not saying this disgrace Earthlings. Earth is this type of harsh world that we aren't surprised that most Earthlings are hooked on something. If we are okay the average Pleiadian soul and have them be born in the world, probably that individual might daily hooked on something. Because the light is shown on those places, this can be very uncomfortable for us and really confronting, and it can experience like we've got a long path backward on our spiritual direction. The shadow cannot function if it is exposed to light. It can most effective hold its pattern if it stays in the darkness. So just truly having the experience of feeling facet with your old patterns is an incredibly effective join up your spiritual evolutionary path. So many brothers and sisters within the network have achieved the deep work, and I'm continuously receiving emails from the network announcing that they are coming into bodily reunion with their twin flame. This is certainly happening many human beings in our community, and this deeply connects the exponentials shifts in vibration we are all experiencing, in my opinion, and together. That is it. Slow play your role consciously in the world, no longer by means of making fantastic announcements others about this. You slowly, quietly make this regarded everyday yourself. As you allow the opening and anchoring of this truth, breathe this reality. You daily make this takes place through you. Then, the godlight, this is part of your higher self, make up source of evolved, actively work within your life. Let the strength, the essence of your personal secret lives pressure daily guide you to your day. Allowing moments to mirror this reality and breathe it in your cells, permit this fact merge within your focus. Create an illusion of this fact within. The human dynamic on your planet is intense, and this whole play out creates a situation that has a root motive which arises from a lack of self-compassion. Through the basic misunderstanding of your human enjoy, there may be self-judgment, which in flip opens the doors to sentence different people. Judgment creates separation within you, and your human ego thoughts creates a separation with others.